Alright, let's call today Ford Day. We're going to talk about some Ford trucks. We've put some Chevrolets on there. We've had some 58 Apaches and we've had 68 to 72 C10s. So now we're going to talk about some Fords. We've got several Ford trucks and we've got several Ford cars. So we're going to do two separate videos on this one, but we're going to start with this one here. This truck here is a Ford truck. It's $2,500. It has no motor, no transmission. Let's see if I can, there we go. Y'all, there's Repo. This is our little cat, Repo. She's a cutie. Y'all let me know if you're interested in any of these and we can get you prices, or maybe if you need some parts for them, we might have some parts available. But here's one here. Oh, that door won't open. That happens a lot. Hey, Repo. Meow. These old doors, they get stuck. A lot of grasshoppers this time of year. Oh, there's a... Well, I tell you what, this insects are out to get me today. Big spider there. Let's walk around this way. Those spiders are everywhere. We got this. This is a 55 Ford front end. This is a nice front end right here. It'd look good in a man cave. Put you some lights in those headlights. Light that stuff up. Make you a bar out of it. Put you some, that way you can stand behind it. Have your liquor and your drinks and have a good old time. Play some pool. I think this is what, $500? No, $400 for this. Okay. All right, back to this truck. Let's see if we can get through here. Let's see if this door will open. Ooh, yeah, you have to watch for walls too. It's got a VIN tag. This looks pretty good. I'm not exactly sure the year on this. It's probably like a 64 or something. Yeah, 64. That's what it is. But this one's $2,500. And like I said, we got several of these available. So let's go take a look at another one. If you see anything along the way that you'd like for me to talk about or do a video on. Oh, here's one too. Here's this one. This is a nice truck, this 52. This is a nice truck right here. It will crank up and run. It's had a little work done to it. I think something stuck, but it still cranks up. You just need to put some more mystery oil in it and get it unstuck, piston or something. Not real sure. But let's see. Oh, this one's locked. Crap. The inside's been redone. It looks really good on the inside. I think it's got a flathead V8 in it. Somebody painted it with a paintbrush. Little elbow grease to get that off. This is a nice truck right here. Let me know if you're interested in this one. I've got 6,000 on this one. And we've got some more up this way. That one we're working on. We'll walk up here and look at these other ones we got. I think there's another Ford up this way. We got a lot of Ford. We got Chevrolet. We got Oldsmobile. We got running cars. So if you see something in the background you like, let me know. We sell antiques. We sell plants. A little bit of everything. So we got this one. Let's see. This is a 1965. It's $2,500. It does have a motor and a transmission in it. You got your Ford people out there and you got your Chevrolet. I tend to lean towards the Fords, but my husband likes the Chevrolets. But I've kind of changed my mind lately. They're pretty nice. I think I've got some paperwork on this one. I'd have to check and see. Pretty nice truck there. These tailgates are pretty. Little short tailgates. We've got some extra tailgates for sale. If anybody wants one, again, to put in a man cave or make a bed out of. Let's see. I think there's some more out here. Yes, there's a 69 this way. This one's got a big block in it, I believe. We got this one. This one was running when it was parked, but they all say that. This one's $3,500. Let's see. And they're always full of junk. This is a nice truck. This would make a good truck right here. I think it's a long bed. There we go. We've got some cars we're going to talk about. We've got one more Ford down here, but I got a customer that's come in, so I got to go talk to him. We'll get the rest of those Fords posted up. Let me know if you want any of these parts, any of these trucks. We've got Ford parts, Ford trucks. So let me know what you need. If you see anything in the background you're looking for, tell me that too. Drop me a line, drop me a comment, hit that like, hit that subscribe. We'll try to check out the rest of those Fords here just shortly.